Welcome to your official gateway to exciting developments, inspiring youth stories, and transformative initiatives from across the Skills Panda community. You're tuned into Skills Panda News Network, and I'm your host, Anna Mabaso. On this week's headlines, meet Panda Bot, a mobile app designed by Skills Panda to manage applications for learnerships, internships, bursaries, and job opportunities. And then we also have the Book Club. We're delivering 3,000 books to change 3,000 lives. Then we have the Alumni Program, staying connected with our graduates. And then we're also launching our very first culinary program, from kneading dough to piping perfection. Let's begin with innovation. Imagine a digital assistant built just for young people navigating their careers, training, and job applications. Meet Panda Bot, a mobile app designed by Skills Panda to manage applications for learnerships, internships, bursaries, and jobs, all in one place. From real-time communication to tracking your progress, receiving alerts, and even assessing support, Panda Bot is your personal career concierge on the palm of your hands. Whether you're starting from scratch or transitioning from one opportunity to the next, Panda Bot is here to make it simpler, faster, and smarter. We believe the mind grows when knowledge flows, and that's why we've launched the Skills Panda Book Club. Our mission, very simple, to place 3,000 books in the hands of young people. The point of the program is to make sure that young people go beyond just reading, but get comprehension skills as well as upskilling skills that make them suitable for the job market. This initiative goes beyond just reading. It's about building a culture of learning, curiosity, and critical thinking. And we're just getting started, with book drops, exclusive reviews, and author talks all lined up. Once a panda, always a panda. We're thrilled to announce the launch of the Skills Panda Alumni Program, a vibrant opportunity for all learners who've journeyed through our programs. The Alumni Program offers ongoing support, career development, and access to exclusive events and job opportunities. This is not just a way to stay connected. It's a lifelong support system built to uplift and empower those who walked the Skills Panda path.
My name is Anna Mabaso, and I am the Alumni Coordinator. The Alumni Program is a program that's built for the youth, where we basically assist the youth and mentor the youth with starting their business. They come on board with a business idea, and these are youths that have been picked from our previous programs. Today, what will be happening is we'll be introducing the program to the learners, as well as registering them onto the program.
Hi, I'm Lindani, and I was part of the System Support Learnership Program. So currently here today, I'm part of the Youth Entrepreneurship Program, and I'm really excited to take on this program and learn more about entrepreneurship opportunities, and also learn more about how to start a business.
Hello, hi, my name is Matapari Tivani. I'm here at Skills Panda. We are here for Alumni Program. The last program that I was doing with Skills Panda is System Support. Yeah, so at the end of this program, what I'm expecting is to start a business, open new job opportunities for the youth.
We believe skills comes in all flavors. Now, here's something fresh out of the oven, literally. Our newly launched culinary program kicked off with specialized assistant baker course, training 16 participants in the fundamentals of baking. From kneading dough to piping perfection, these learners were equipped with both practical skills and entrepreneurial know-how, preparing them for real-world culinary careers or even launching their own small businesses. This is the first of many culinary adventures.
My name is Cisco Ndlovu, and I am the CEO and founder of Cisco Solutions and Training. Today is very exciting. We are in collaboration with Panda Bot and Skills Panda. We are doing a Baking Plus Business course, which is a short baking course that teaches you the essentials of baking as well as the essentials of business. So today we are going to be meeting the students this morning, a cohort of 16 learners that we are going to be training, and we are going to start with baking business theory, teaching them how to market the business, how to run the business, how to sell, how to strategize, and all of that.
With Panda Bot connecting opportunities, the book club unlocking minds, and the alumni program keeping our families strong, and the culinary program crafting careers, Skills Panda is more than just an agency. It's a movement. And now, with the launch of the Skills Panda News Network, we're amplifying your stories, your growth, and your voice. So whether you're an aspiring learner, a proud alumni, or a future leader waiting for your shot, know that you're part of something bigger. Skills Panda is here for you, with you, and because of you. From our studio to your screen, thank you for tuning in to the very first edition of the Skills Panda News Network. I'm Anna Mabaso, signing off. But we'll see you soon with more news, more stories, and more inspiration. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, the future was a panda smile.